Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Petilil from Pokemon. Let's move to the top center of our page and start with a point. From this point I want to draw almost like a large raindrop. So from here we're going to angle down and out towards the left, come down towards the bottom, we're going to round this out, and then go back up on the right side. So curving up and then in. Now at the very top we're going to draw one large leaf pointing up. So from that center, let's draw a straight line going up. Now we're going to move up towards the top of the leaf, start with a point. Now from here I want to curve out, down, and just pull that in towards the side. Start by coming out in an angle, rounding out the bottom, and then tucking that in. Let's go back to the top and draw on the right side. Coming out in an angle, rounding out the bottom, and then pulling that in. Now we're going to tuck two leaves in behind. Starting from here, we're going to curve out and then up towards the top of the leaf. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. We're going to balance this out, curving out and then up. Now from the tip, we're going to curve in the opposite direction. So let's start on the left. We're going to curve across and then just pull that down. Now let's add the center seam of the leaf. Starting on the side of the center leaf, we're going to curve up and then out, aiming towards the tip. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to tuck a circle in behind. So let's start on the left side. Start with the left side of the circle. Come down towards the bottom. Now we're just going to pull that up and in on the right side. Let's move out and draw on the side of the head. From this point, I want to step out. We're going to curve out, round out the side of the head. Now I'm just going to pull that in towards the side of the circle along the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curving out, rounding out the side of the head, and then pulling that in. Now I'm going to draw two ovals on either side of the face. Starting on the left, let's start at the top of the oval, curve down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now we want to line up the top on the right side, and do the same thing. At the top of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. Now we're going to move down and draw on the collar. We're going to start in the center. We're going to draw a half circle, leaving a little space underneath the head. Draw a half circle, coming down and up on the right side. Now back on the left, we're going to curve down, up, and pull that in behind the head. Do the same thing on the right, curving down, up, and then in. Now let's tuck the body in underneath the collar. In the center, we're going to draw a larger half circle. Starting from the left, we're going to curve down in the middle, and then back up on the right side. Now back on the left side, from the top, we're going to step down, curve around, up, and then in. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Curving out, around, and then in. Now we're going to do that one more time on either side. Starting from the side of this half circle, curve out, round this out. Now we're going to pull that down and in behind the collar. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving around, in, and then down. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Petilil from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.